Hi fashion designers, it's Yoko Kelly again, and I hope you've been following along because in my last video I shared how you know you have an item that you can build a collection around, whether it's an item line of like shirts or whether you're dressing someone head to toe. So I didn't give you the elements in that video, and I'd like to give them to you now, and that would be color, fabric, shape, trim, the delivery, meaning what month or what season it's going to be delivered, and the shape of the person who's going to be wearing it. For instance, if your inspiration was Twiggy, then those silhouettes would not work on everyone, obviously. So please consider those, and also the price, which we will go into in another video. Thank you. See you next time.